Welcome to our channel. If you want to create an online course to share your knowledge and generate income, follow these step-by-step instructions to build and launch your course successfully. Step 1. Choose a specific topic you're knowledgeable about and validate demand by researching competitors, checking keyword search volumes, and surveying potential students. Step 2. Define clear learning outcomes for your course. What specific skills or knowledge will students gain after completing your program? Step 3. Outline your course structure by breaking it into modules and lessons. Each lesson should focus on one concept and build progressively toward mastery. Step 4. Create your course content including video lectures, downloadable resources, quizzes, and assignments. Invest in decent audio and video equipment for quality production. Step 5. Choose a course platform such as Teachable, Udemy, Thinkific, or Kajabi based on your budget, technical skills, and desired features. Step 6. Upload your content to the platform, organize lessons logically, and create engaging thumbnails and descriptions for each module. Step 7. Set your pricing strategy considering your target audience, competitor pricing, and the value provided. Offer early bird discounts to attract initial students. Step 8. Launch your course with a marketing campaign using email lists, social media, content marketing, and paid advertising to reach your target audience effectively. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.